Hello, my name's Sid Stewart and I'm Managing Director or President of an information systems company based here in the northwest of England on the edge of the beautiful Lake District. My company is 26 years old and has customers all around the world. Today I'm going to tell you how to build dazzling dashboards, what they are, what the critical success factors are, what the design principles should be, and also 9 vital visual interface tips. Then I'm going to summarize it all for you in a concise way at the end. You can stop and start this video using the controls along the base of the video, and also at the top you'll find a detailed menu system that you can use to jump in and out of the material as you require. Now let's get started. The first thing to consider is a dashboard's purpose. Ideally, it's to help a business or organization meet its objectives and goals by doing one of two things. Firstly, by monitoring what's going on in key areas, spotting and anticipating problems or trends. Secondly, dashboards should allow you to develop a better understanding of what's happening in the business, especially if there are issues and problems. It should be able to help you analyze the root cause of problems. Finally, you could say that a dashboard's purpose is to monitor key information at a glance. Here is another definition of a dashboard. It's by Stephen Few, the guru or expert in information dashboard design. Firstly, it's a visual display of the most important information to meet one or more objectives, which fits entirely on one single computer screen, so it can be monitored at a glance. So where did this idea of a dashboard come from? Well, really it's like the plane's cockpit or the car's dashboard, the one place where you can control with ease the successful completion of a mission. The real idea is to make better decisions for less effort and to present or tell a cohesive story on how the business is performing. To achieve better decision making, decisions should be based on facts or data and not totally on intuition or gut. Many managers today run their businesses totally by intuition. The aim of using dashboards is to change that. So where are the facts in a business? They're held in the systems that run the business day to day, and also from outside the business as well. This diagram represents the pyramid of data in a business. At the base we have routine transaction systems like order processing and stock control. Within these systems and at this level, things tend to occur in minutes and hours. In some companies, data from the routine systems is extracted into a data warehouse. In the data warehouse, the data is grouped and consolidated to help present information to support management decision making. Don't worry if you haven't got a data warehouse. We'll talk about alternatives to this later. Data from the warehouse or from the routine systems is fed into tactical systems that support production planning and the like. The timescales for tactical systems are days to months. Finally, there are strategic systems such as business planning and market planning. These operate from months to years and not only use internal data but external data, for example on the market and on the economy. The top two system areas, strategic and tactical systems, are designed to support information systems where flexibility and questioning is the important thing rather than performance, unlike the routine and transaction systems at the base where performance is vital. So where do dashboards fit into this pyramid of data? Let's find out. Let's simplify the model we've just seen into the following model. At the base we have the production or operational systems, such as the CRM and the account. Data is then extracted and summarized into the information system level. In the traditional model, the information systems are supported by the data warehouses or data marts. Data marts are just a subset of the data for a business. Here is where the dashboard level sits. It sits on top of the information system level, that is, the data warehouses and data marts. You could take your data directly from your production or operational systems, but you must be careful that you do not affect the performance of these routine systems. The important thing about information systems, it's all about the data. It's about creating information from your data. To construct good dashboards, you need to ask questions like this. What's going up and what's going down? What's best? What's worst? What's at the extremes? Where are the outliers? What's on target and what's not? And how does it compare and vary by time, by season, by subject area? Using these power questions, you'll develop dazzling dashboards which will be of vital use to your management. To summarize, there are three main uses of dashboards. Firstly, strategic, top summary information at a glance for senior executives. Secondly, analytical, used for problem solving and opportunity finding. And thirdly, operational, used for detecting critical changes quickly in routine operations. Remember the three purposes of dashboards is firstly A, to monitor, to convey critical information fast. B, to analyze, navigate, analyze large volumes of data. And lastly but not least, to communicate among the executives, managers and staff.